When in today's video we will see how to fix the Beats Solo 4 would not turn on no lights. Charging and power troubleshooting guide. Fix 1. Charge the headphone properly. So connect the Beats Solo 4 to a wall charger using a USB-C cable. Leave them charging for at least 30 seconds. Then try a different USB-C cable and power adapter if no charging light appear. And avoid charging through a low power computer USB port. Fix 2. Force reset the headphone. A reset can clear a software lockup and press and hold the power button and volume down button together. Then keep holding for about 10 to 20 seconds and watch for any flashing LED light. Then release the buttons and try turning the headphone on again. Fix 3. Try a different charger or cable. So test with another USB-C cable, then use a different wall charger and check the USB-C port for dust, lint or damage. Fix 4. Check wired audio mode. So Beats Solo 4 can play audio through a 3.5 mm cable even when the battery is empty. So connect the including audio cable to a phone or computer. If audio works through the cable, the speakers are fine and the issue is likely related to charging or a battery power. Fix 5. Leave them charging longer. If the battery is deeply discharged, it may need extra time before showing sign of life. So charge for 1 to 2 hours uninterrupted and then hold the power button for 10 seconds and check for any LED activity. The Fix 6 contact beat support. If the headphone still shows no light, do not charge and will not reset. The battery charging circuit or internal power board may require service. Official troubleshooting and repair options are available through Beat support. Goodbye and thanks for watching.